So today I want to discuss about a phone call that I received from a client based in Dubai. He wanted to know if he could purchase a property here in Ontario and if there are any special rules that apply to foreign buyers. So answer to the first question is simple. A foreign buyer can purchase property here in Ontario or anywhere in Canada. In other words, Canadian real estate market is open to foreign buyers. Now, the second question is important. As far as buying property in Ontario is concerned, as of April 2017, a foreign buyer can purchase property, but that person will be subjected to 15% non-resident speculation tax. This tax is applicable at the time of purchase of the property. It is important for you to know that this tax is charged on top of your land transfer tax. Now, if a foreign buyer is to buy a property in the city of Toronto, then the buyer will be subjected to 3 taxes. Number 1 would be the municipal land transfer tax for the city of Toronto. Number 2 would be the provincial land transfer tax for the province of Ontario. And of course, the non-resident speculation tax. This tax is only applicable to residential properties located within the Golden Greater Horseshoe area. The city of Barrie, county of Brant, Brantford, Dufferin, Durham, Gulf, Helmand County, Halton, Hamilton, Kawartha Lakes, Niagara Region, Northumberland, Orillia, Region of Peel, City of Peterborough, County of Peterborough, Simcoe, Toronto, Waterloo, Wellington, and York. Now, I want you to know that full 15% tax will be applicable even though the foreign buyer owns a small percentage of the property. For example, a foreign buyer decides to purchase a residential property with 3 other, each having 25%. Now, the 3 others are Canadian citizens. Despite the fact that the foreign buyer owns 25% of the property in question, full 100% tax will be applicable, which is 15% on the purchase price. Another interesting fact I want you to be aware of is that if a foreign buyer is married to a Canadian national or a permanent resident, or is in a common law relationship, then the tax will not be applicable to the purchase price, provided both of them make a statement and certify that they will be occupying the property in question. On the other hand, if there are 3 people who are buying the property and one of them is a spouse to a non-resident, then the exception to this rule would not apply, because there are 3 parties to the transaction. The exception is only intended for couples who intend to live in the property and one of them is a foreign buyer. There is some light at the end of the tunnel. You can get this amount back within 4 years from the date of purchase if you happen to become a permanent resident, or if you are a full-time student enrolled in a 2-year program at an approved institution, you can apply for a refund. A foreign worker on a work permit works full-time for 1 year can also apply for a refund of non-resident speculative tax. To gain more knowledge about legal issues, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or visit our website at slclawyer.ca. You can also email us at info@slclawyer.ca. Thank you and have a great day.